Okay, buenos días, clase verde. As you've noticed, I'm not here today. So, that means that you guys are on your own for this activity. Except, I've left instructions with both our substitute and I'm leaving these instructions for you on Google Classrooms. That way, if you have any questions, you can know exactly what you're doing. So, today, we're going to be observing the soil that you brought from home. Raise your hand if you brought soil. Okay, perfect. I honestly couldn't see that because I recorded this yesterday. So anyway, let me run through the steps of what you're going to be doing today. Step number 1, you're going to need to go to the back table and grab a couple of things. You are going to need to grab your bag of soil. If you do not have a bag, I want you to work with your partner that's sitting next to you. If they don't have a bag, then, and only then, are you going to go find a different partner throughout the class. Dipper, Cece, hey. Sorry, they're being very unruly. Okay, so that's step number 1. Step number 2, every single one of you needs one popsicle stick and one paper towel that's going to act as a placemat for you for the dirt. Step number 3, you need to go back to your desk with your bag of dirt, your popsicle stick, and so you need to go back to your desk with your bag of dirt, your popsicle stick, and your paper towel. You're going to put the paper towel on your desk and pour some of the dirt out onto it. Not all, but some. What you are going to be doing is, now that you have your dirt poured out, you're going to be using your popsicle stick and even your fingers to go through your dirt and find organic material and inorganic material. Some examples of organic things are twigs, leaves, grass, worms, other things that were once living. Inorganic material are like rock, sand, clay, silt, and all of the things that we discussed that are in your green science notebooks. Step number 4, after you've gone through and looked through your own soil, you are going to get up and walk around and look at other people's soils and compare. You're going to be looking at the color. You're going to be looking at the texture. You're going to be looking at what type of soil is inside of these things. Once you are done with that, you are going to go back to your desk. And step number 4, no, that was already step number 4. When you're done with that, you're going to take your own soil from the paper towel and pour it back into your plastic bag. If you need help, find a partner. Your neighbor should be a good person to start with. Okay, the very last step is independent work. Well, kind of, partner work. You are going to take this packet that's on the back table that has primary layers of soil, the different layers of soil and room for you to write, and this one. Don't worry about this page. We'll get to that together on, what day is today? Wednesday? On Friday. So what you're going to do is you're going to read this. This has all of the definitions of the different layers of the soil. You're going to read that, and you're going to label the different parts of soil and use examples from your bag of soil of things that you found in that layer. If you didn't have any of the solid rock, well, don't worry about that. If you had chunks of little rocks, you can include that. If you had topsoil, include that. So at the end, you're going to answer all of these questions, and you're going to work on this with a partner. I want you guys to be working hard, working together, and to follow all of the instructions of our awesome substitute. Thanks, and I will see you guys tomorrow.